Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to search a YouTube channel, isolated, or just a YouTube channel, okay? Now with this one, before I get started, I just want to kindly remind you that if you're watching this with your phone, you're trying this tutorial with your tablet, your MacBook, or your laptop, please stay in the video because even though I'm using my desktop or a Windows OS, the process is literally the same, okay? Again, if you want to use the other, let's just say browsers, for example, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, please make sure that it's okay, even though I'm using Microsoft Edge right now. The important part, of course, is we have the internet with us, okay? So that being said, please open any browser of your choice and then head to YouTube. Now this should be the landing page for YouTube, and then it doesn't matter if you have an account logged in, wherein I have one right now. Doesn't really matter if you have one. Now search up anything. Just for discussion purposes, I'm gonna search up birds right there. Let's just say car, right? Now these are videos right here, right? These are not the one we're looking for. We're looking for channels. That being said, as you can see, these are channel. For example, Baby Bus, we don't wanna scan to everything manually and just look for the specific channel we're looking for, right? We wanna look for a specific channel or just channels as a result. That being said, how to do that, just simply click on filters right there. You're gonna see under type, there's gonna be channel. Now these are the results. This everything right here, channels under the name car. Okay? Now you can do this on your phone, on your laptop, tablet. Please try it out. And that being said, that's how you search a YouTube channel specifically. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.